Onions. If you are a guy, you need to get into this video. If you are a woman that has a man, you need to get into this video. Let me share with you guys the amazing, powerful aphrodisiac. Onions is aphrodisiac. So if this is going to interest you, stay here. Let's talk more about the benefits of onion juice. I did not say eating onions. I said the juice of the onions. That's what we're going to be talking about. So let's get right into the video. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Guys, happy summer. How y'all doing? If this is your first time, do me a favor. Please, 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 I beg you in the name of the Lord, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have to applaud you guys that keep coming back to this channel. Thank you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new, guys, please consider again subscribing. So guys, let's jump right into talking about onions. It sounds so easy. We see onions all the time. We consume onions in many ways, shape and form. But I have to speak for myself. Being a Nigerian, we don't maximize the benefits of onions. Most of our food is being way overcooked that we lose the nutrients in their food. Yes, we eat a lot of onions, like we use it to cook, but we tend to overcook them. So guys, if you're a guy and if you're a man watching this video, make sure you're going to share this video to all your fellow men. If you're a woman that is watching this video, make sure that you're going to share this video with your husband or significant other. Guys, I don't know, I'm still trying to see how I can go around and use the right words so that YouTube will let you and me watch this video and help me make money. So onions have so many benefits, but what I'm going to concentrate on today is for men. It will help you. Let me speak a little bit of my language. Sorry, I will try to do this English somehow. So it's going to help you for when you go under the blanket, when you go under the cover. This is what I am talking about. Onions, for example, onions will help you. Let me just tell you a few things that onions can do for you, and then I will tell you guys how onions go help you when you day under the blanket, like when you cover yourself. You know what I'm talking about. So onions is good. It's a very good diuretic that it will help you to pee, to cleanse out your kidney, your liver, taking away all the toxins. That's one good thing. The next good one is that if you have cough, chew raw onions. Like it's going to help you to cough out the phlegm that is trapped in your throat and your lungs. But the powerful, amazing one about this is that when you go under the blanket with your woman at night, it is going to make you see the thing that is going to come out, the one that starts with S. It is going to make it really, really strong. So if you're one of those people that have the watery ones, this is going to make it, like, you know, more concentrated, especially if they look to bring out, you know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. Onions is the thing. It increases the testosterone level. When it increases the testosterone level, it helps to make the thing where they come out from, you know, from that starts with S, the thing that comes out from the joystick, it will make it strong. But the way you are going to consume it is what I'm going to let you, the way you're going to eat this is what I'm going to let you know now. So if you have cough, cut it off. eat some slices, it's gonna help you. But if you want your joystick to really work, so that your wife will not divorce you, so that you'll be able to do your job as a man, and you'll be able to be the king in the house. Because if you have all the money, and you still have not acquired that area that was going to make you be the full king in the house, you never start. My people will say you never start. English people will say you have not started yet. So to do this, all you need is to juice the onions. You need to juice the onions and drink the juice of the onions every day for 4 weeks. That's how you're going to take this onion juice, undiluted, with no water. You can add a little bit of ginger, but at this time I'm going to cut this and share with you how to make this onion juice. So to make this, we need onions, of course. I love to use the purple onions. Purple onions has more sulfur than the white ones, which means, oh, my knife has more sulfur than the white one, which means that the purple onions is way much stronger than any other onions out there. And this is the onions that we always use back home in Nigeria. Cut it off, slice them so that it gets into the juicer. So throw in your onions, crush. Look at the color. And the next thing you need, this is optional because some people cannot stand the smell of their onions. So ginger will help to dilute the smell a little bit, and ginger is also powerful for helping you under the blanket. It's going to open up all the clogged up blood vessel, giving it some making the blood to flow easier. So the onion juice is ready. This is all you need in 24 hours. This is all you really need in 24 hours. 1 big or medium onions. Like I said, embrace the purple onions. They are much stronger. They have more sulfur. They will help do the job better. So guys, thank you guys so much for your time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me drink a little bit of this. Oh, amazing. The only thing is that it gets into my eyes. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Remember, subscribe, share the video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye.